4.5 this is the 22 weeks of ANC. We can see this type of movement in chest region. Is it normal? Continuously this type of movement is seen.